When we moved into our house in East Oxford, we discovered that the windows were metal framed, ill-fitting and very leaky. The house became very cold. We decided we wanted double glazed windows in the style of the house and managed to find a manufacturer that made aluminium windows with a thermal break. This means that the cold air stayed outside and the warm air was kept inside the house.
One of the things that attracted me to this house was the very good double glazing in all the windows. The one exception was the front door, which is the original 1930s one with beautiful stained glass in it, but it's quite fragile and lets in a lot of cold air. So what I did was I commissioned a perfectly fitting double glazed outer door, and it's made a huge difference, as you can see from this thermal image.
Well, we've recently done a loft conversion and we were deciding between double glazing and triple glazing, and we knew that because it was at the top of the house, it was really important that we had as much insulation as possible up there, and we also wanted it to be a light room. So triple glazing was the obvious solution for us. It was going to be critical to making sure that our loft didn't overheat in the summertime, as well as keeping us cozy in the wintertime. And making sure that we had trickle vents at the top to keep the air circulation into the loft was a key feature that we also made sure was included in the specification.
I've just retired, and so we've decided to use my pension pot on making our kitchen and living room really cozy. So we're putting in triple glazing and ventilation, because you need an airflow when the rooms are airtight. And we feel it's a good way to keep our main living rooms comfortable in our old age.